Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode here on NRV Outdoors. Today I'm at one of my absolute favorite little creeks doing a little bit of afternoon trout fishing. And in today's video we are targeting brown trout, one of my absolute favorite, and occasionally they put in some absolute giants. I'm starting off today's video throwing around a black creek bug on a 1/32 ounce ball head jig, and I've got that rigged up on some 4-pound 100% fluorocarbon line. Spooled up on that Pfluger President reel, backed that Fenwick Eagle 7-foot 2-piece. Trying that 4-pound today to see if we can have a little bit more luck with this crystal clear water. I thought it might do us some favors. But let's not waste any time. Let's hop in here. Let's do a little bit of fishing. Let's just see how many we can catch. They must have been on it quick this morning. There's one. Good start. Oh yeah. Let's let him go. Well, here we go, another one. Very next cast. Here we go. I'm using a creek bug. Beautiful fish number 2. Very next cast. There we go. Another nice one. Beautiful colors. Beautiful fish, everyone. Ooh, that feels like a good one. Oh, he shook the hook right there. There we go, fish on. Feels like a good one.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Oh, and another quick release.
Oh no.
Well, everyone, handful out of the first stop. We'll keep it moving. We've got a good bit of daylight left, and I want to explore this creek a little bit more and just see what else we can find. Take that old creek bug. All right, guys and girls, we have spotted an absolute pile of fish hanging out down here. So we're going to slide on down this bank as swiftly and easily as we can. Getting wrapped up in somebody's fishing line, that's never good. Let's try to slide on in here. See if we can't sneak up on a couple of these fish. Alright, let's drop the cast over in here. Got him. Very first cast. Oh, good fish too. Oh, and another quick release, everyone. Wow. These fish are getting us with that old barbless hook. Yes, they are. Well, everyone, so far we have had an absolute pile of good fish spit that hook on us. We're going to keep trying. See if we can get one to stay. Get it in the net for you guys. Missed another one right there. That is the beauty of the barbless hook, though. It gives those fish a chance to get away. See if we can get that guy to come over and bite again for us right there. Oh, yeah. Oh, fighting super hard. Another good fish, everyone. Down there jumping. Wow. See if we can get this beauty into the net for you guys. What a gorgeous fish. Absolute little stud, too. There we go. We've had several fish like this one pop off. Finally got one of them into the net. Beautiful brownie. Check that one out. Look at those colors. Fantastic. Let's let him go. There he goes. Back in there, happy and healthy. Working right on by this down log to our right over here. Oh, had a bite. Oh, he bit it again. He comes swarming up here for it. See if we can get it back there to him quickly. Got him. There we go. Called that shot. Flipped it down there, right next to this old log right here. And this beauty was down there waiting on it. Missed him on the first pass, came by, and got that hook in him on the second. Not nearly as big as the ones we've lost, but we'll take him. Beautiful fish. Quick pop release there. There we go. Another gorgeous brown trout. Fantastic, everyone. Got him. Seen that one down there, flipped over there to him, and he had to have it. Golly, that was another good one, and he kicked the hook. Golly, everyone, I cannot believe how many big fish we have lost. But we pinched that barb down because we know we're going to turn them back nonetheless. But that's just one of them things, guys. Some days, you just can't keep them on. Can't believe it. Now, one thing to consider is perhaps where I'm using this lighter line, it may contribute somehow to missing these fish. Now, I wouldn't want to say that that's the cause as much as just that barbless hook and these fish are coming up and shaking along the surface. But I feel like knowing that this line is much lighter and more apt to break, I'm not giving them the pressure that I typically do. And it may be something that I need to fine tune to keep these fish hooked in the future. But so far, tons of super nice fish to take that lure and then kick that hook. What can you do? Here comes another. Golly. Missed that fish time and time again right there. Let's try him again. Great day in the morning. How many times did I miss that fish? Got him. Another nice one. This may be one of the ones we lost. I do believe it is. Gave us a second try. I like that creek bug so much. There we go. A nice one right there, everyone. Heck yeah. That's what we like to see. Quick pop loose. Another beautiful brown trout right there. Missed them one after the other. But we're getting a few to the net. No complaints out of me. What a blast. Switched up to that old yellow creek bug in hopes of maybe hooking up with some of the fish that we've lost, just like that one. Wow. Color change and bam, one of them better fish took it. That did not take long at all. Unreal. There we go. Got him to the net. Another gorgeous fish. Wow, everyone. Uh-oh, this one's wrapping up that old jig head in the net there. There he goes. See if we can't grab that old jig head out of his mouth. This is one of those fish we had just lost. There we go. Color change and bam. Heck yes. Let's let him go. There he goes. Alright guys and girls, looks like we're just going to pick up one that we had lost on that yellow. I did miss a couple bites. We're going to keep it moving. There's still plenty of water to cover. We walked down on this little spot here and found a few, so surely there'll be a few more waiting for us just downstream. Tons of people out fishing today, way more than I would have anticipated. There we go, fish on. Oh, big jump. There we go. Beautiful brown trout. Look at them colors, everyone. Oh, kick that lure in the net, just perfect. Let's let him go. Heck yes, everyone. That's what I'm talking about. Well, everyone, that is pretty much going to do it for today's little brown trout adventure. We have fished tons of water since our last stop where we had some success. We've been around a lot of anglers. We tried to give them their space. We fished all the pockets in between, and unfortunately we haven't ran into any, but our time has expired. But what a day it has been, everyone, out here targeting this beautiful brown trout. There's really nothing like it. We had all that success throwing around that 4-pound fluorocarbon line, and I really think in that clear water it did help us get a few extra bites. But if you enjoyed today's video, be sure to smash that like button, and as always, drop me a comment down below. Every comment really does help out the channel, and I do my best to reply to each and every one of them. If you'd like to get your hands on some of those creek bugs used to catch all of those beautiful brown trout in today's video, all you've got to do is click that very first link down there in the description. It'll take you straight to my website. Be sure to use code YouTube10 in all caps. Save 10% off any order, $25 or more. Be out there if you can, everyone. Do yourself some fishing and have some fun. Most importantly, be safe and tight lines.